What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I'll be showing you guys my curly afro routine, curly fro, whichever one you want to call it, but it's super easy, so let's just get started. The first thing I do is apply my Palmer's leave-in conditioner so that I can make sure my hair stays moisturized. My hair gets super dry super easily, so I use this to also keep my hair soft and to help detangle my hair, because that's like the first step. You don't want any knots. And also, I will definitely have all the products I use in this video in the description box below, so before you ask me anything, go check there first. So next, I just blow dry my hair because I do like a stretched out curly fro, and I know I probably blow dry my hair crazy, but this is just how I do it, and it just makes sense to me. I stretch out my hair first, and then I kind of like iron over my hair, and then I'll just start going in like with the brush and start, blow drying it like normal people do. But this is just easier for me. I feel like I get less breakage than me trying to brush through it, because curls, they sensitive,
Moment, it gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps you,
Now it is time for the star of the show. This Care Moisturizing Curly Cream, bruh, is the product that I never knew I needed. I love the way this smells on my hair. It moisturizes right. It makes my Bantu knots curl right. So I just love it. And I apply a generous amount to coat every single strand, get it up in there, and then I begin my single twist. To make the first ring, I pretty much coil the hair around my finger to get it as tight as I can. Not too tight to make my head hurt, but tight enough. And then I bring it down towards my scalp, and it pretty much coils up on itself. And then I wrap it under that first coil until I get to the end of my hair, and I pretty much just tuck it under the Bantu knot. And then I just do that for my whole head, of course. Now, since my hair has low density, I do like to do bigger Bantu knots to give me the most volume. If your hair is highly dense, then I would suggest to create smaller Bantu knots. But it's very important to know about your hair in order to give yourself the results you're looking for. So please do your research.
Broken heart, I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, that for you was 30, half for 17.
And yes, I did get lazy and I left my Bantu knots in for 2 days. I ran errands. I walked around the house. I took Cooper for a walk. I don't care. But now I'm going to take my favorite hair growth oil to grease my scalp up. I love this hair growth oil. I used this oil when I had an undercut and I was ready for that undercut to grow back out. I used this and I did a mini big chop. I really love this hair growth oil. Then I take this other oil from Kiss and put it on my fingertips to start taking down my hair. And this is my favorite part because this is just when all the magic happens, So to untwist my hair, I turn it the opposite direction and then just pull down. So a lot of people tell you to separate where it naturally kind of looks like it's going to separate good. It's it'll be a separation between your hair, and that's where you'll separate. But I don't do that. I don't follow the rules that most natural hair people do. Girl, I do my own thing. I like big hair the first day, so I don't really care too much about the frizz. Now, one thing you do want to make sure is you twirl in the same direction you twisted the Bantu knot. So you'll know when you twist it in the wrong direction because it'll look kind of funky. So just make sure you twist it in the right direction to give you that nice voluminous look.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave. Play the game, but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show, and you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day.
Now, once all that is done, just shake your hair a little bit and grab your afro pick and start going in. I only go in at the roots of my hair. I don't pick all the way through to the end because that just defeats the purpose of the Bantu knots. So the pick is going to pretty much hide the parts, and it's going to create some more volume if that's what you want.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with the broken heart. I know growing up.
And then I check the back and make sure that is straight. Make sure there's no like weird separation. And then I'm straight. I'm good. I love how it came out. I hope you found this video useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this to 1,000 likes. Let's see. Also, comment down below what you want to see next from me. Subscribe and be a part of the gang, and definitely follow your girl on Instagram and TikTok at naturally.sunny. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.